Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the origin of angiosperm. As we discussed in earlier chapter that today we have about 2,000 lakh 30,000 of approximately angiospermic plant on the earth, and there are other various plants groups like gymnosperm, ferns, mosses, liverworts, lycopods, horsetails, and many others. So this diverse form of life arising out of a very simple form of life on the earth, and all you know that the life earlier on the earth there was no life. When the earth formed, it was a huge burning ball of gases uh, and dust. So slowly it cooled down, and you know that the gases started to form, and firstly the water appear on the earth's surface. So uh, the first life form, it is stated that the first life on the earth started to develop in the water. Okay, so it was a very simple life form, and unicellular organism developed. Okay. So origin of where from the plants or the animals came to the earth, and particularly angiosperm, because you know that the angiosperm are very advanced plant group, means they are the latest plant which appeared on the earth, right? So before going to discuss actually how the origin of angiosperm or angiosperm originated on the earth, we must have some idea about the geological time scale. Okay, so this what is this geological time scale? So what is the geological time scale? The arrangement of geological time scale has been given in this table. Okay, so this is the arrangement of geological time scale. तो सो ये जो स्केल है, ये जब से अर्थ का ओरिजिन हुआ है, राइट? अर्थ के ओरिजिन से लेके अभी तक का जो टाइम पीरियड है, उस टाइम पीरियड को एक क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया गया है, एक स्केल बनाई गई है उसकी, एंड दैट स्केल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन millions years. Okay, millions year. So you know that 1 million year is equal to uh, 10 raised to power minus 6 years, right? So the whole from the formation of, or the time is arranged on a order in a scale, and it is called as the geological time scale. Okay, If we will see the geological time scale, the main division on this scale are eras. Okay, the main division are called as, it is called as the era, or plurally eras. So this Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, these are the eras. Okay, these are the main division, and this again divided into these eras, that divided into small subdivision. It is called as periods. Okay, so uh, uh, and these periods further divided into epochs, right? Epoch or epochs. Okay, so geological the different period in the geological time scale is divided into eras, periods, and epoch, right? The sample of life, especially of Precambrian age, is uneven and incomplete. So this is the very old, and this is recent. This is the arrangement of. So we can say that, okay. So time is started from here to the recent, that is quaternary period. So the oldest era is Precambrian era, and it is estimated that it arose about 46 million years ago, right? So uh, and it includes about this Precambrian era includes about the 90%, uh, what we can say that, geological time scale, okay, of the earth history. So total, this is the total earth history, and it is uh, about 90% of the geological time scale. The Precambrian world was almost certainly a diverse and complex place as today's world. And there was a large exposed uh, portion of continent in the Precambrian era. That portion is called generally that portion is called as Precambrian shield. Okay, or it is called as the Precambrian shield. So this is again divided into certain epochs, that is Hadean, Archean, and Archaeozoic and Proterozoic. Okay, so we are not going to discuss in detail about this. Okay, uh, particularly we discuss about the what was the life in there. See, you can see that the appearance of bacteria and appearance of green algae and appearance of cyanobacteria on the earth. Okay, and you know that algae, cyanobacteria are, these are the aquatic organism. Even the first bacteria, that is known as the archaeobacteria are uh, uh, also appear in the water, firstly appear in the water. Okay, so the uh, because you know that there were no atmosphere, there were no gases. The simple living organism have an anaerobic metabolism because there was no oxygen. So those organism only have to survive which have anaerobic mode of metabolism or respiration. Okay. Particularly the archaeobacteria, archaeobacteria are adapted to the anaerobic mode of nutrition metabolism, right? So again, some fossil evidence suggested that some sediment, some more diversified prokaryotes and eukaryotes were observed from the several sediments. Okay, like dolomites and uh, uh, Lingibia. These all are aquatic organism. Stromatolites. So all these are the. This is about the Paleozoic era. Next era is Paleozoic era, and it is again divided into certain period and epochs. So it is started from the Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Paleozoic era is divided into 6 epochs, right? And the oldest epoch in Paleozoic era is it is about, see, it is 46 million years ago, and this is 5.6 million years ago. There was a uh, epoch that is called as the Cambrian epoch. Okay, so in the Paleozoic era uh, epoch, the Earth climate was found to change rapidly, resulting into the formation of diversified life. Okay, सो जो कुछ यहाँ पे जो एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म थे उनके एक्टिविटी से अब देखो इतना टाइम यहाँ बीत गया है कि हाँ मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर स्पेंड हुए नेचुरली यहाँ की लाइफ थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लेक्स हुई नए नए मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेसेस आए एंड हाँ अर्थ का क्लाइमेट भी चेंज होने लगा तो नेचुरली यहाँ पे जो ऑर्गेनिज्म थे वो धीरे धीरे जमीन पे आने लगे ठीक है तो उससे क्या हुआ जब ये ऑर्गेनिज्म जमीन से पानी से जमीन पे आने लगे तो उनकी हैबिट तो वाटर में रहने की थी इसका मतलब उनको पानी की जरूरत थी सो दे डेवलप सच ऑर्गन्स टू एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर अगर आप ब्रायोफाइट्स देखते हो तो ब्रायोफाइट्स इज आर कॉल्ड एज द एम्फीबियंस ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम तो ब्रायोफाइट्स में जो छोटे कौन से लिवर वर्ड्स वगैरह है दे आर द फर्स्ट plants to invent the on the earth okay और धीरे धीरे बाकी उनमें चेंजेस होने लगे उनमें फोटोसिंथेसिस की एबिलिटी डेवलप हुई सरवाइव होने के लिए ओके सो दीज आर द small changes appeared okay so in Cambrian period, you can